Hey guys, it's Aron and Levi here.
Most people seem to agree that overpacking sucks, so we should all try to avoid it.
In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to pack light in only a carry-on, and we will also share with you what we wish and regret that we brought with us on our month-long trip to South America.
We will break down the packing into two parts. The first part are the bags. In our experience, taking one or two carry-ons are the best way to travel because it reduces the time that you have to wait on the airport and also helps you to only pack the things that you will actually need.
Not to mention, you save a lot of money by only having to pay for small bags.
The most important thing to think about is the type of bag you're going to bring. We usually take a bigger hiking bag as a paid carry-on and the regular backpack, which is included in the plane ticket.
The second part is the packing. We start packing with the socks and underwear because there's really not much to consider. Our general rule of thumb is taking one pair of socks and underwear for each day that we're away, unless it's for more than a week, in which case we take 8, because we need one for each day of the week, plus one for laundry day.
Yeah, and we don't take any detergent with us, because all the new self-service laundromats are already included in the wash.
It's important to pack clothes which are versatile and can be mixed easily. We like to pack similar colored clothes so they can also be washed together.
To avoid overpacking, you should only bring clothes you wear all the time, because if you don't wear them, why would you take it?
For tops, we brought 10 t-shirts, a couple tank tops, and a hoodie for the plane since it can get quite cold. For bottoms, we took 3 pairs of shorts and a pair of joggers, again for the plane. If you're going to a place with a chance to swim, you should definitely take a pair of swim trunks with you as well.
Your wardrobe should of course match the things you're going to be doing.
If you're planning on hiking a lot, definitely bring more underwear and socks, along with some sports tops and bottoms.
I like to use packing cubes because I find it a lot easier to keep my things organized. It makes packing my bag easier and I save some space as well. For shoes, we only took one pair on our feet and a pair of slippers.
You will most likely be walking around a lot, so it's incredibly important to have a broken-in, comfortable pair of shoes. We also brought a crossbody bag for going out when we don't want to take a whole backpack with us.
It's perfect for carrying your essentials and you don't have to bring a whole backpack with you for the day.
What items someone brings on their trip will differ vastly from person to person because everyone has different needs.
But regardless of that, you should be mindful to pack only the things that you will actually use. Packing is definitely a skill.
But with each trip, you will realize what you actually need to be comfortable. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you found something useful. If you have any tips of your own, please leave them in the comments below.